Alright, let's go. Spelunky, our second big attempt at it. Here we go. We got the nice young lady here. She's going to help us along here, trying to get us to reach the goal. Ooh, there we go. The key, and I think for me in these first couple of levels, get as much money as possible, take my time. You know, there shouldn't be too much urgency. I think we've seen all the real enemies that we can face here. Nothing too scary. Well, that was a mistake. Hey, but you know what? We made it happen. That's why I hear the jetpack is good. The jetpack and the shotgun. I was trying to do a little reading about it. At the same time exploring it myself. Like I don't just want to get an answer. Although I'm happy to get any advice from chat at any time. It's the best item in the game. Okay. This basically just allow you to fly around. I mean, that's usually what a jetpack does. Fly around like the Mandalorian. Come on. Gotcha. Alright, every time we get one of these damsels, we get an extra life. So it's important to try and bring her home here. There we go. Little baiting. See, I've learned a little bit from the first time that I played. Oh, there's the exit. There you go. Let's see what else there is. What do we got? 18,000. Let's keep racking up the monies. Ooh, did not see that guy. There doesn't seem to be anything over here. So let's call it a day. We got out here 18,000. We saved one. We kept all our hit points. We added one. Okay, if you sacrifice the puppy 2 times, you get the Kapala. I don't know what that is, though. What is that? If you sacrifice it 2 times, so sacrifice it like on that temple thing. And it has to be the dog. I feel like you just said words and I don't fully understand them altogether, but it's okay. I will try to sacrifice. I feel like I sacrifice things, and I don't know, I feel like it didn't do anything. So I need to like figure out what exactly it is. Get blood to fill it up to gain 1 HP. Oh, okay. Okay, so you sacrifice it, and you gain 1 HP. And that's better than just like dropping him off? Well, that didn't work. That also didn't work. Oh, that was a big mistake. Okay. It's all good. That was a little screw up. But you know what? We all screw up sometimes. I always mistime, I don't always, but I sometimes mistime those bats, and that is just an easy life to lose. Come here, Sneaky. Alright, here we go. No jetpack. Let's buy the spike shoes. The bomb box. Let's save some money for a future day. Ooh. Take that as well. We're in. We're in. World 1, 2, complete. Um, Seems to be a lot of enemies in this level here. That was a mess up. Oh, I'm just the worst at those. Just costing myself lives. Kuzmago's banana, what up? Big game in 10. Nothing to get you rolling like a little Spelunky. What does the hand do? Hands let you cling to even the most slippery of balls. Okay. Shoot! Yeah, appreciating the tips. Some good tips here. Okay. This doesn't feel like the run. So should I like, if I sacrifice her, like does it, like should I sacrifice her? That's my question. I do need them. Or should I just, yeah, should I just bring her home? That's what I don't know. I'll get an item. Do I need an item? Oh, I see. Get a compass. I see. Probably not worth it. Probably could use the hit point more than compass. Oops, and then I angered him, and then I died. So don't put a bomb off near the near that there. All right, and we had it. We did what we could. You know, it's another death, another run, another death.